So welcome to this video. Please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share with your friends. That's the only way you can support us. So today I'm going to show you how you can set up Android 13. Android 13 is the latest Android in case you want to upgrade your phone. So let's see how you can set it up before I start using it. So this is Android 13. Say One UI version 5.1 Android 13. The Android version is 13. Is the base bounds and under information. So let's check for the RAM. But before that, we're going to activate developer mode. We'll tap build number 7 times and the developer mode will be activated. So the developer mode has been enabled. So we'll click back, go back. Then scroll down, is either on top of about phone or under about phone. We'll open it. Then the first one says the memory usage. Memory usage says it's 3.6 gigabytes out of 8 gig. So this is an 8 gig phone. This shows you the details of what and what to use what. That's how the memory is being shared. That's for the memory usage. Let's check for storage. Then we'll scroll down. So this is the storage. Is under device care. So your own phone may be a little bit different, but this one is under device care. This is a 106.5 gigabytes out of 128 gigabytes. So the storage of this phone is 128 gigabytes. That's for storage. You can also check it through the file manager. You can see it here, the internal storage here. Say 21.56 out of 128 gigabytes. That's the one that is being used. So let's check the network because it says 5G. So let's see whether it's actually 5G. Go to mobile network from setting connection mobile network. This is 5G, light and 3G. Then 5G, 4G light and 3G. So let's add accounts. First of all, I'll add Samsung accounts. If you are using Infinix or Techno, add that particular account, but I'm adding Samsung account. It's the same method. We can skip this, just add their Google account and they are good to go. I've added Samsung account. Let me add my Google account by selecting Google. Enter your email address. If you don't have one, you create. I have two authentication factor. Two-step verification. Now what I'll enter here. say add phone number, so you can skip this or you add your phone number. Then agree. I agree. So welcome to Google services. Also accept. Scroll down and accept. So I've done adding a Samsung account and Gmail. So let's download something from Play Store. Let me download WhatsApp. Once it start downloading, you're good to go. Then we see our Android 13 phone is ready for usage. You can restore the backup from your old phone. I've shown you how to do that. Please check the link on the video below so that you know how to do that. You can restore a backup of apps you have on your old phone. Please check the link. Good, I started downloading. So you are good to go. It's now installing. You can now download and install any app. So let's open it. That is the WhatsApp. So let's set the security code, especially the fingerprint. Go to security and privacy, then lock screen. I want to use fingerprint. Tap fingerprint. Tap continue. They have to create PIN or password, whichever one, or pattern. Continue tapping your finger on this until it reaches 100%. Once it's 100%, you're done and you have set up your phone. Please like the video, share the video, and remember to subscribe so that you'll be getting notification about something like this. So this done. Thank you.